Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to flip image in Picsart. To flip the image in Picsart, launch open the Picsart application on your mobile device. Now from the home page, tap the plus button at the bottom and then select the image you want to flip from your device's camera roll. Once you have the image ready on the canvas, go ahead and tap on the Tools button from the menu that pops up at the bottom. From the menu that appears on the screen after tapping on Tools, tap on the Crop button from the menu. Now, click on Rotate at the bottom and you can then go ahead and tap on Horizontal to flip your image. For vertical flip, you can tap on Vertical and you will be able to see that you have successfully been able to flip your image. You can now go ahead and tap on Apply at the top right to save your change and download the image to your device's camera roll. And that's it. You've successfully flipped your image using Picsart. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple photo editing tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.